Okay, guys, so on the last video, I was just finishing talking about C, okay? So, um, g of x, it's the integral from -2 to x of f of t dt, so it's the integral of f of t dt. It starts at -2, so that means g of -2 equals 0. They want an absolute maximum over the interval -2 to 5, so I'm going to have to look at the value of this function, g, at the endpoints as well as at the critical points, okay? So let's see. So I need the integral -2 to x f of t dt. So I know that equals g of t, g of x, sorry, g of x, okay? Because they're integrating up to x. Okay, so that's the x. So what I know is this. I know g of -2 equals 0, because that's where it starts, okay? And I need the critical points. So critical points where g prime of x equals 0. So it's asking me where f of x equals 0. If I look at the graph, that's at -1.5. -1.5. So at x equals -1.5. So guys, now what I need to evaluate g of x at the endpoints. So one endpoint's -2. At the critical points, for -1, 1/2, and the other endpoint, which is 5. Okay? So again, g of x, it's the integral of f of x. Okay, it's the integral of that curve. It's the area under this curve. Okay, it's the area under this curve. So that's 0. G of -2 is 0. That's my start point. Okay, -1. So from here to here, okay, from here to here, that area is 1/2 base times height. It's 1/2 the base. The base is 1, the height is 1. It's 1/2 base times height, so it's 1/2. Okay? Okay, here. The area there. Okay? So guys, look, this area and that area are equal. They cancel each other out. So I'm just talking about this right here. That's below the line, so it's negative. It's 1/2 the base, which is 1/2, times the height, which is 1. And guys, it's negative. So it's -1/4. Okay? And then, so now I got to get this other endpoint here, all the way there, that endpoint there. So guys, these were equal I found before. These were equal I found before. They cancel out. This was 2 plus, guys, this area. So I was just talking about this area here and then this right here. That was 2 plus, remember, this area under the curve here I found earlier, I know. It was this. It was 9 minus 9 pi over 4. Okay? So plus 9 minus 9 pi over 4. So that's 11 minus 9 pi over 4. Okay? So the absolute max occurs at x equals 5. G of 5 equals 11 minus 9 pi over 4. All right? One last part. D. Okay? So what are they asking for D? Man, I'm tired. I hope they don't ask for a lot. Actually, guys, I look at this, the scoring metric. We're up to 8 out of 9 points. So this is a small thing. Find the limit x goes to 1 of 10x minus 3f prime of x over f of x minus arctan x. Oh my God. All right? So let's see. So what do they want in D? Here we go, D. They want the limit x goes to 1, 10x minus 3f prime of x over f of x minus arctan of x. Okay, what's the first thing you always do when you're trying to find a limit? Direct substitution. We're going to try it. 10 to the first minus 3 times f prime of 1 over f of 1 minus the arctangent of 1. Okay. Do I know any of these people? Do I associate with any of these people? Well, I know 10 to the first is 10. Okay, what about f prime of 1? Okay, here's 1. F prime of 1 is the slope of this line. Well, what's the slope of that line? 1, 2, 3, 4 up, 2 over. So f prime of 1 is 2. Okay, over f of 1. What's f of 1? 1, 1. When x equals 1, y equals 1. F of 1 is 1 minus, what's the arctan of 1? Who's got a tangent of 1? It's pi over 4. So this limit equals 10 minus 6, 4 over 1 minus pi over 4. That's it. That's the answer.